like I said, I want my pictures to look as natural as possible and just enhance like some of the features that are already on the picture, you know. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So in today's video, I'm bringing you guys something a little different, and I'm going to be editing my Instagram pictures with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see how I edit my pictures, definitely stay tuned. But before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And of course, if you want to see more videos from us on this channel, we do hair videos, makeup videos, fashion videos, and lifestyle videos. So definitely stay tuned after this video and go watch all those other videos. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into this video. So I decided to bring you guys something a little different just to switch it up, you know. And I'm going to be showing you guys how I edit. Normally when I edit, I like keeping my pictures very simple. I do very minimal editing. So I'm going to show you guys how I edit one of like my fashion pictures. And if you guys want, I can show you guys in another video how I edit my makeup pictures, because I do also post like makeup looks on Instagram. If you don't follow me, definitely follow me. I'll put the little page over here for you guys to go follow. Definitely follow me on Instagram. And yeah, without further ado, let's go into it. Let me share or screen record my screen. Okay, so basically I already have my pictures already like selected. I usually take like a lot of pictures. I'll show you guys how many like I usually take. So for this particular picture, I took all these pictures right here, and yeah, I have a lot. So basically all these pictures, and as you can see, I favorited the ones that I like. So this one and this one are the ones I'm going to post. And then basically what I do, I normally take my pictures on self-timer. If you guys want me to like show you guys how I take my pictures, I can definitely do that as well. But I take them on self-timer, and when I do that, it basically gives me a burst. So I can go in and like, well, this picture is actually good, but let me show you guys what you can do. You can go ahead and press select, and then after that you can see like all the pictures, and let's say one of them you like it better than the other, you know, like you like it better because of your face or something, then you just press on it and you press done. And then I'll just show you guys, and then it says, I normally like to keep everything. If you don't want to, you can delete the others, but I like keeping everything just in case. So I do keep everything, and it's gonna separate this one from the other ones. And yeah, basically that's how it is. But like I said, this picture is actually good, so for me it's good right now. I'm just going to leave it to this. I already picked my two pictures, so I'm gonna go in my favorites. If you can see this, these are all my favorites. Some of these pictures I've already posted. If you follow me on Instagram, you've definitely seen, well, you've also actually seen all of these. But yeah, I'm going to be posting these two like I told you guys. And yeah, basically the only app that I use to edit is Facetune. I swear to God, like I told you guys, I like keeping my editing at a minimal. I like the minimalistic look, kind of making my pictures look like they're edited but not really, you know. I just like to enhance my features and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into Facetune. I use Facetune 2. This app is the free version, but there are things that you have to like pay for, but personally, like, I just like using the free version and it works well for me. So I'm gonna go into favorites, and as you can see, the two pictures are right here. So I'm going to press the first one first, and what I'm going to start by doing, I'm gonna go into retouch, and I always start by smoothing my skin. Now as you can see, like, because the picture is from far away, I don't really have that much smoothing to do. But yeah, because like you're not gonna see it too much, and I don't want the picture to be like too blurry. But I'm still going to go ahead and press on smooth, and I'm going to zoom in, and I always smooth my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and smooth my face. I always smooth the skin on my face actually. Like most of the time, the rest I don't really need to. But yeah, basically I'm gonna go on my face, just smooth all of that. smooth my neck too. And then what I like about Facetune too is that you can actually like decide how much you want it. I never keep it on 100. I usually put it on 70%. And then on the bottom right, there's actually these two like squares at the bottom right of the picture, so you can press on them just to see the difference. So this is before, this is after, this is before. Yeah, this is before and this is after. So you can kind of see like what it did to the picture. Now, the next thing I like doing is going for details, and I like enhancing my highlights, so my nose, my inner tear duct, because I always highlight there, my eyebrows, because I feel like sometimes they get lost in the pictures. My edges, I always enhance them just to make them like pop a little more, you know. And then I go ahead and enhance any jewelry or any like detail on the picture. So I'm gonna enhance my earrings. I have a bag over here. I'm gonna enhance this little buckle and the buckles here too. I'm gonna go ahead and enhance the Nike so that it can pop on my shoes. And I'm also going to go ahead and enhance my glasses, like just the handles, because I feel like, you know, why not? So all of that is enhanced. Now the same thing, I'm gonna go and put 70 just because I don't want it to be like too much in your face. So basically I'm going to show you guys the before and after. So this is before, this is after. Well, actually let me zoom in so you guys can see a difference. So this is before, this is after, before, after, before, after. So it actually like makes a big difference. So next, my face does look a little oily, like just a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and do matte. I don't do this all the time, but I only do it when I feel like my face is a little too shiny. So I'm gonna go on my chin because it was like really doing a lot, and I'm going to put it down to 70. And then I'm just going to check like if I like it. Yeah, I think it's good. My forehead is also kind of shiny, but let me see. I can try and smooth it out too, just to see a little bit how it would look. Should I do the forehead? I normally don't do my forehead too much, but I think sometimes like it's good. Okay, so I'm not gonna do my forehead because I feel like it's not really needed and it's kind of taking away just my chin. So yeah, this is basically what the picture looks like, and I like it like this. But I'm going to show you guys sometimes, because sometimes, let's say I take it against a white wall or something, I like to whiten the wall. Now this cabana is like kind of beige and I like the beige feel to it, but I'm just going to show you guys what I normally do. So I go ahead and press on whiten, and I just, you know, go and actually I put it on 100% just so I can see like properly, and I just whiten everything. And I make sure like I do a good job. Honestly, I'm just doing this just to show you guys, like I'm not doing this like perfectly, but let's just say it's like this. And then I normally like putting it at 85%, just because I feel like if it's at 100, it's like too white, you know? And then that normally like brightens the picture a little bit too. Ooh, I could actually, but no, I actually like it on the beige background. Even though the beige is kind of, you know, like dark. But yeah, that's basically how it would look. I like brightening my background just because it makes it brighter. But in this case, I'm not going to do it because I feel like I like it without everything. Okay. Yeah, exactly. So then now that I'm done, I'm going to press on the check mark underneath in the bottom right, and then I'm gonna go to edit, and I'm going to brighten the picture a little bit because it is a little dark and I don't like that. So this is like 100. I normally don't go there. I'm actually gonna go kind of high on this because I feel like it's a little dark. So this is before, this is after. Normally I like going to like 20%, but I feel like it's not enough, so I'm gonna go a little higher. So now it's at 40% or at 40. Yeah, I feel like 50 is a little too much. Like it makes me look a little too yellow and we don't want that. So let me check 30. Even 30 is good because it's not that dark, you know? But usually I go at like 20. And as you can see, like 20 is a little like, it's still a little dark, so I'm gonna go up. Should I go up to 30 or 40? So this is 30. I'm gonna go up to 40 actually. Just because I don't want it to like be too dark. So let me show you the before and after, if this thing can work. Okay, so this is before, this is after, this is before, this is after. So yeah, I don't want to like brighten it too much because I don't want like to lose like the darkness of my hair and stuff. So, and you know, sometimes it like changes. So I think that like that is okay, and it's 40. And I usually like remember the numbers and do the same thing on my other picture because I always post 2 pictures. I always post carousels on Instagram. So this is basically it. So it's done. So yeah, I'm also going to send it on my Mac. I don't know, like I feel like my camera cut off, but that's basically like what I was saying. So I saved it and it saved right in my camera roll, and I also pressed on it and pressed the 3 little buttons where it says more, and I sent it to my Mac just because I like having it on my Mac as well. But yeah, I'm gonna go and go back to the little thing right next to that box with the arrow, the picture looking thing, and it's already on favorites as you can see because I was in the favorites album. But if you want to switch, you can always press on it and go back and then press whichever one, but I'm gonna go back in favorites and I'm gonna press the next picture, which is the same, and I'm literally going to put the exact same things on this picture. So I'm going to do this quickly since you guys already know. I'm literally doing the same thing because I want my pictures to look the same. And well, on Facetune I haven't found a way yet where you can like just add the same things to every picture, so I just do them manually, which is fine for me. Okay guys, so basically I finished editing the pictures. I'm gonna post the before and after here for every picture, like somewhere here or something. Like I'll post it on the screen so you guys can see the difference. And yeah, that's basically what I do. I literally use Facetune for all of my pictures, and I literally do like minimal editing all the time, just because like I said, I want my pictures to look as natural as possible and just enhance like some of the features that are already on the picture, you know. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely comment down below. And if you want to see like any other video of either me taking pictures, how I take my pictures, how I edit my beauty or makeup pictures, or anything else revolving around like social media and stuff, definitely comment down below and I'd be glad to do that for you guys, just because I do it all the time and maybe, you know, by me sharing it with you guys, it might help you. So definitely comment that down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you for always supporting. And of course, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and join the family. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
She be mine on level. Sweetie on level. She be mine on level. Say sweetie on level.